Meanwhile, we have breaking updates coming in of Jairam Ramesh, who has now written to the poll panel. So this is after a delay in clearance for Rahul Gandhi's chopper. After that delay, now Jairam Ramesh has taken it to the Election Commission, writing a letter to the poll panel in this regard and saying that there should be a level playing field. My colleague Meghna Deka is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Yes, Meghna.
Yes, in fact, you have Jairam Ramesh, who's put out this urgent memorandum that the Congress has shot to the Chief Election Commission, of course, considering elections are currently underway. It says, and I'm going to read out the excerpts of the letter. Respected sir, you may be informed that Shri Rahul Gandhi, a member of parliament, leader of opposition and his staff, had secured all the requisite permissions for travelling across the state and attending all the pre-scheduled election rallies. As per the approved schedule and permissions were all taken, Rahul Gandhi was supposed to take off from Godda to fly to other locations across the state. However, the mode of travel which was permitted to fly at 1:15 p.m. has not been allowed to take flight. This has been informed that due to protocol of other leaders in the vicinity, a no-fly zone restriction has been put in place. In fact, due to the said delay, the subsequent programs of Rahul Gandhi, for which prior permission had been secured, is now either being delayed or being cancelled. Request the Commission to urgently intervene in the matter and ensure a level playing field is not disrupted in such a manner. In such a situation, it be allowed to prevail, then the ruling regime and its leaders can always take undue advantage of such protocols and limit the election campaign of opposition leaders. This is the letter which has been put out by Jairam Ramesh, and he's put out a post as well saying that there should be a level playing field in campaigning. The Prime Minister's campaign cannot take precedence over that of others. However, in the letter, I'd just like to point out, which the Congress has shot to the Election Commission, does not mention the Prime Minister categorically, saying that due to Prime Minister's presence, his campaign took precedence over Rahul Gandhi, but it says so in the post which was put out by Jairam Ramesh, the Congress General Secretary.
Okay, all right. Meghna, stay on with us.